You aren't right to verse. This is How to Verse, your daily dose of quick fixes for creators. If you're starting a new YouTube channel in 2025, stop scrolling. This might save you months of wasted effort.
I'll show you exactly what to do and what not to do to grow your channel faster and smarter. Step 1. Pick a clear niche. First, you must pick a clear niche. Don't be a variety channel when you're starting out. YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your content to if every video is about something new. Instead, focus on one category, like tutorials, reviews, gaming, storytelling, or tech tips for at least your first 15 videos. Puzzle piece pro tip: you can always expand later. First, build an audience that trusts you for one thing. Step 2. Brand your channel. Now, your visuals matter. Your profile, banner, and name should all tell viewers what your content is about. Make your banner clean. Add your upload schedule and tagline. For example, gear, how to verse, your daily dose of quick fixes. Use Canva or free templates to design it. And make sure your color palette is consistent. It builds trust fast. Step 3. Create engaging titles and thumbnails. Here's the truth. Your title and thumbnail are 50% of your video's success. Use this formula: brain, keyword, or problem, plus emotional hook or result, plus year or urgency. For example, how to grow on YouTube, 5 mistakes killing your channel in 2025. For thumbnails, use 4 to 6 words max. High contrast colors, a show emotion or clear focus. Text plus face plus simple background. Step 4. Schedule your video. Don't publish immediately. Never hit publish right after uploading. Use schedule. YouTube's algorithm uses that delay to find the best early audience for your content. Upload your video. Set all tags, captions, cards, and end screens. Then schedule it for 6 to 9 p.m. local time, when most viewers are active. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your early impressions. Step 5. Write SEO descriptions and tags. Your description should explain the video in natural language, no keyword stuffing. Add your main keyword in the first 2 lines and your CTA link, for example. Subscribe to youtube.com/@howtoverse101. Tags still matter. Use 15 to 25 relevant ones. Include variations like how to start a YouTube channel, or YouTube beginner guide, and YouTube tutorial 2025. Step 6. Optimize your channel settings. Before your next upload, open YouTube Studio, then customization, then basic info. Add your keywords like how to verse, tutorials, YouTube tips, how to fix productivity, quick tutorials. Set your channel category to how to and style, and language to English. Then fill your banner links, YouTube subscribe, Instagram, X, etc. Step 7. CTR, retention and consistency. CTR, click-through rate, and retention decide your growth. CTR equals how many people click your thumbnail. Retention equals how long they watch. Aim for a CTR above 6% and average view duration above 50%. Don't chase virality, chase watchability. Upload once a week minimum, same day, same time. YouTube rewards consistency more than luck. So, for new YouTube channels, do all we have discussed about. Pick your niche, brand your channel, optimize your uploads, and let the algorithm work for you. Like and subscribe for your next quick fix. This is How to Verse.